Indonesia, the world's largest archipelago, comprises over 17,000 islands and is known for its diverse culture, stunning natural beauty, and rich history. With a population of over 270 million, it's the fourth most populous country globally. Jakarta, Indonesia's capital, is a bustling metropolis of the island of Java. Indonesia boasts diverse landscapes, including tropical rainforests, pristine beaches, and volcanic mountains. Nestled in the heart of the bustling capital, Merdeka Square is more than just a park. It's a historical treasure trove and a symbol of Indonesia's independence. The national monument, or Monas, as the locals call it, is an iconic symbol of the country's independence. Standing at 132 meters, it offers panoramic views from its observation deck. The monument commemorates Indonesia's struggle for freedom and houses a museum with historical artifacts and exhibits about the nation's journey to independence. We were hoping to take the elevator to the top, but unfortunately it is closed due to the President visiting later in the day with some other dignitaries from the ASEAN Summit.
So it is yellow. The difference is with soto ayam, ayam means chicken. Soup with shredded chicken like that.
The National Museum, also known as Museum Nasional, is an absolute gem nestled in the heart of Jakarta. It's a must-visit for anyone curious about Indonesia's vibrant heritage. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by a world of wonders. The museum's extensive collection boasts over 140,000 artifacts, ranging from ancient sculptures to contemporary art. Each gallery in this museum is like a time machine. You can travel back in time and immerse yourself in Indonesia's past. From prehistoric relics to the era of kingdoms and sultanates, it's all here.
Siwa when he wants to show his force.
Kota Tua Jakarta, often referred to as Old Town Jakarta, is a historic district in the heart of Indonesia's capital. It's a time capsule of the city's colonial past, featuring well-preserved Dutch colonial architecture, cobblestone streets, and museums. Visitors can explore sites like the Jakarta History Museum, the Wayang Museum, and the Merdeka Square. But first, some lunch. The Wayang Museum, located in Jakarta, is a fascinating cultural institution dedicated to wayang, a traditional Indonesian puppetry art form. It houses an extensive collection of wayang kulit, which are shadow puppets, the wayang golek, which are wooden puppets, and showcases the rich heritage of Indonesian storytelling and mythology. Visitors can explore the intricate craftsmanship of these puppets and learn about their role in Indonesian culture and folklore. This museum provides an immersive experience into the world of wayang. Well, this concludes our tour of Jakarta. Tomorrow we fly to Surakarta, the traditional capital of the old Javanese kingdom. Now we're just going to enjoy a beautiful sunset and go off to dinner. See you tomorrow.